Oh, the continuing saga of the CA. The engine is seized solid, as you can see. The gearbox has been taken out, which is there. Unfortunately, it was full of water, so that's probably knackered as well. So we shall see. So the engine is partly stripped, crank is loose, 2 of the pistons were seized solid and still are, so we're reverse engineering it and taking it apart from the inside out. I'm going to get the clutch off now so we can see if we can get the crank out. I filled it with oil about 30 years ago, so it seems to have saved the bottom end of the engine for posterity. So there is the block stripped. Yuck. And all the bits and all the oil and everything else that goes with it.
Pistons.
Oh yeah, pistons over there. Until we clean them up, we ain't going to know what's any good and what's not.